RCB suspensions has been used by a lot of riders throughout the country as it is engineered to provide an efficient riding experience. Now, we bring you the future of electronic suspension system. Introducing SS Monoshock suspension. Coming to you with alloy body with 16mm titanium gold piston rod and 36mm big damper diameter. It comes with adjustable spring preload, compression adjustments and rebound damping. RCB SS Monoshock comes with a unique feature that allows for personal customization just from the tip of your finger. By using our in-house application, you can adjust the suspension settings according to your needs. 2 presets are readily available and you can add your favorite setups for quick adjustments. The settings that you had set will be connected through the receiver and it will send the information to the Monoshock. Servo motors will adjust the rebound and compression settings based on the input data that you have provided inside the app. Now, you can easily set up your suspension settings for any conditions and customize your riding experience anytime, anywhere. This premium feature of SS Monoshock will give you the confidence you need on the road.